Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today, Friday, 17th of May. So, we are here again. On the job, we are making progress. Slow but steady progress. So, we have left the body of water that we met, so now they are on a plane. So now they have to do a lot of cutting again. Usually when you see heaps of sand like this, so that means they are on a plane that require cutting of sand. So they are dredging now. So there are no rivers here. So they are doing dredging here now in order to bring out the earth and to create a path. So we are getting closer to the main road, Ajegunle Itokulo side. We are getting closer right now.